The first HP laptop from this facility is expected to roll out by February 2025. The factory is being set up on a large scale, covering 3 lakh square feet, and will have the capacity to produce 2 million units annually. This partnership between HP and Padget Electronics is a major success for the PLI 2.0 scheme, which incentivizes domestic production. It not only reduces reliance on imports but also strengthens India's position in the global electronics market. Currently, imports of IT hardware, especially from China, account for around 58 to 60% of India's total IT hardware imports. This move will help reduce that dependency. Yes, the partnership comes at a crucial time just before the September 30 deadline for the expiration of the import authorization regime for IT hardware. The government has been regulating these imports for national security reasons, and this collaboration supports the shift towards domestic manufacturing. In conclusion, this is a big win for India's Make in India mission and a boost for the tech manufacturing sector. We are looking forward to seeing these HP products proudly made in India.